I feel like maybe like right over there, you know, where we park.
That's a good spot.
Oh, sweet baby.
Yeah, now that you know what's going on. Rawr. Let's get you out of that cage. What do you say, brother?
Yeah, look at those big teeth. You're dangerous. You are. Look at you. He's got.
I mean, yeah, he's
missing
got
one of those canines. Oh, he's drooling. He's so scared.
Oh, yeah. Come on, let's get him out of here.
Yeah.
Come on, buddy.
Let's get him away from the road.
Here, I'll get him down.
Yeah, I think over in here. We'll keep him away from the road. Get him near the forest. You little buddy. Hello.
Oh, yeah, those are the best animals.
They're best pets around.
And this little guy is getting a second chance.
Oliver Possum.
Oliver Possum.
Ollie Possum.
I like it.
My mom's dog is named Penny Possum.
I like it even more.
Are you of the possum lineage?
Are you of the body? Are you of the body, little guy? Landru brings peace and contentment. Oh, there you go. Hold on right there.
Buddy, buddy, buddy. He's only gonna look to the side.
Yeah, he's only gonna look to you.
I'm gonna put this food there.
All right.
Oh.
Yeah, let's.
You pretty boy.
Almost home, guy.
Come here, you forgot your food.
Goodbye.
Hey, come back again anytime.
Come see a show.
Ollie will be back.
Happy he is though.
I'm free.
Oh my goodness.
You know where you're going, buddy?
He's like away from that road, away from that pit. He's a lot bigger than I thought.
Looks like a little pig, doesn't it?
Little wild boar.
Fantastic.
Fuck you guys, I'm out of here.